Week one of the Marcy prison guard trial is complete. The prosecution now deep into its case.
Aside from the video footage, testimony from a fellow officer could be what implicates the three former prison guards on trial. News Channel 9's Andrew Donovan joining us live again tonight. He's right outside of Oneida County Court. Andrew, the jury, they got a lot of new information today.
Yeah, Christy, most of what jurors have heard until this point over this past week was likely what they already knew going in, what all of us already have learned since this happened last December. But this former correction officer who was there for the beating is now bringing forward never heard before information because he was there and will eventually go to prison for his role, but has made a deal with the prosecution. Robert Kessler's testimony is evidence beyond what's been shown in the video, claiming what's seen in the footage is the third of three assaults. He was able to detail the first two and how he remembers each of the three officers on trial being involved. Kessler wasn't part of the group of officers indicted earlier this year because he was already cooperating as a witness. He will plead guilty to his role and spend at least 5 years in prison. But of course, he has, to the prosecution, expressed disappointment and self-reflection and being upset that he ever had anything to do with this. So he is remorseful. That's why he pled guilty, but is trying to find justice by holding some of his coworkers accountable. Now, the jury gets a 3-day weekend. Court is closed on Monday for the Columbus Day holiday, so they'll have to keep all of this information in their heads. They're not allowed to talk about any of this in public or with anyone, and they'll have to come back on Tuesday as the prosecution continues making its case. Live in Utica, Andrew Donovan, News Channel 9.